A cold, snowy winter night here in Minnesota, so I'm not straying too far away from my nice warm fire. But in this video, I am spilling the beans about a well-known fact about medical charting, and that is that every medical chart program has a little space where doctors can put their own little notes. So whether your daughter is interviewing at the Smithsonian for an internship, or you've got a scheduled trip to Vietnam, or you're somebody who doesn't like to talk during your appointment, you just like to sit there and be grumpy, we have places we can put that. So sometimes you think your doctors are geniuses, and they would kill me if they knew that I was letting you in on this little known secret. But we all have those little private places in the charts. So that has nothing to do with the rest of the video, but we do talk about it in the video. So thank you for being here today. Enjoy the video, and here it is.
It is pretty much now pretty widespread, though. You know, the stuff on YouTube talks about all kinds of procedures that people...
You can find anything on YouTube.
Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah.
I always caution people about watching surgery videos of the procedure they're going to have.
No.
An animation is about as close as you want to get.
No. I don't want to, yeah, thanks.
Okay. So your blood sugars have been doing pretty well?
Yep.
Alrighty, so.
There's also calluses on the bottom of my feet.
We'll get those too. Yeah.
Okay. I'll try next time for that.
Oh.
Oh, it was so funny that you remembered that. I thought, oh, she's so busy, she won't remember that.
Well, I have a little place in everybody's chart where I can write little notes.
Oh, okay.
So it's not that my memory is that good.
Oh.
It's that I made a little note to remind us.
Okay.
But that's also like where I can write myself little notes like, patient has no sense of humor. or patient going to Italy next month, or you know, things that would never print on a record, but that I put there just for myself.
Yeah, or patient is very crabby.
You know, stuff like that.
Yeah. But I was a public librarian for quite a while, and then I started working in the private sector, but you know, you'd see the same people over and over again, and honestly, I could look at their face and tell what kind of day they were having, you know, and what the kids had been up to, you know.
Yeah, you know, it gets to just be, yeah. I mean, yeah. There's some people who come in that love to talk politics.
Oh, no, thank you.
Because they disagree with me on everything. I have one patient who's a conspiracy theorist.
Lord.
Can I just ask you to not move your arm too much? Just blocks the camera.
Oh, sorry.
And he goes, "You think I'm crazy?" And I said, "I do, but I love hearing your theories on things."
Yeah.
You know the type.
Yes. We had lots of different kinds of people that come in. We had homeschoolers before it was really popular.
Uh-huh.
And, you know, there were 2 or 3 families I was concerned about, so I tried to help them as much as possible. I mean, they had like 7 to 9 children, you know, something like that, and it was worrisome. You know, I was like, I knew they were getting fed okay, the kids looked healthy and everything, but it was the ideas, you know, and what they thought about the world. And
well, that's why they're being homeschooled.
Yeah. And guess what I have? I have a son and daughter-in-law who homeschool their children. It was kind of like COVID-induced, but I think it's more than that, and I can't even...
They want to shield their kids from society?
Basically. And what's really weird is that she's from Colombia, and, you know, my son is from here. Ow, honey, that hurt. Oh, that's okay. Just as long as you know, is there a problem with it?
No.
Okay. So, it's like, and they both have degrees in global political economy. I mean, goddamn, pardon me, but how hard is it to just face the world? but their kids would be at home anyway.
Yeah, well, I think a lot of families, when it hit COVID, rather than trying to work with the, the public schools distance learning, I think a lot of families went to homeschooling.
Yeah, I think that's common. And the littlest guy, or the oldest, I should say, he's in second grade now. So he did kindergarten, first grade, now second grade. And the youngest one is in kindergarten. And she's very smart, the mom. She's doing all the homeschooling stuff. And they're like the standard homeschooling kids I met in the library. Bright.
Yeah.
Talented.
Inquisitive.
Yes.
Yeah. My daughter and I talked about the fact that we would probably kill each other by the end of the first semester if we tried that.
How old is she?
Now she's 23.
Oh.
But, it was like anybody could help her with her schoolwork except me.
Oh, yeah.
She'd get so frustrated and mad. But that's just kids.
Yeah, my ex would drive my kids nuts, and they would just kind of, huddle over their homework until I could help them with it. Because, you have to be patient, and you have to be kind, and you have to listen, and, it's not our job to tell them everything they're supposed to do.
Exactly.
They have to figure it out.
Exactly. There's a lot to that. I feel like I'm making you very nervous here. Am I?
I do my best just to think about anything else than what's going on.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, close your eyes and pretend you're in the jungle or the forest.
I like to be in Seattle with my granddaughter.
All right, so picture Seattle.
Yep. My granddaughter is going to be 5 in June.
Oh, what a cute age.
Yeah, it is a wonderful age. And she has a whole list of restaurants for us to go to and things to do.
Oh, your granddaughter does?
Yeah.
Very cute.
Yeah. She misses social interaction a lot. She goes to daycare, but, just playing with friends, she misses that.
So the hard part's done. For some people, they need that. So, all right. So, close your eyes. Go back to Seattle. What's your granddaughter's name?
Yeah.
Is that Colombian?
No, this child is my daughter's child.
Oh, okay. Just relax. I got you.
It's just my daughter's child, and my daughter is divorced but engaged to be married next fall, I think.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You like the guy?
Yes, he's very down to earth, very smart, matches his interests. That's good. Danny's very smart, and it's hard to find somebody who reads like you do and
I don't really feel anything over here.
Oh, good, okay.
So, yeah, so we'll get at that and then we'll just smooth them out with this again.
Okay,
We'll get the heel with that.
okay.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, they like to cook. They're like two little nerds, you know. It's very funny.
So there's not really callus on the heel, it's more
What
just
is it?
really dry skin.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna put a different lotion on today.
Okay.
And if you like it, we have it here. It's
Okay.
just an Avon product.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's really great for super dry skin, especially in the winter. In the Midwest where everybody's got their dry heaters on
Yep, yep,
and your skin gets so dry.
yep. That's the one thing those slippers do though. My feet aren't nearly as dry. Maybe because I wear them all the time, you know.
Give me your hand here.
Okay.
So this cream is so thick, it's almost like an ointment,
Mhm.
but it doesn't stay greasy. And
Interesting.
yeah, and I use it on my heels and feet in the winter. I
Uh-huh.
put it on right before I put my socks on.
Oh, okay.
And it
okay.
doesn't stay greasy, or if you do it at night, you just keep your feet outside the covers for 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And
Oh, that's good to know.
yeah, and so
Does
I
it
really
have-
like this, and it's not expensive. I think it's like $7 a tube,
Okay,
something like that.
okay. Yeah, it's hard to get something that's a balance.
Right.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's get these on.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you for letting us do the video today.
Oh, no problem, no problem.
And
If I ever do, you know, do the.
get nail polish back on your
Yeah.
nails.
Yeah.
All right, so stay safe out there.
I will, I will.
And okay, thank you.
Thank you so